Unreported damage on trucks, trailers, and equipment can cost your business thousands of dollars every month. Going unnoticed, over time, that damage can cost you even more in the long run. Eagle Vision Security introduces intelligent damage reporting to help fleet owners hold those responsible for any damage accountable for their actions. Multiple specialized cameras are strategically placed at the gate of your truck yard. The moment a truck and trailer stop for ID verification, it is scanned thoroughly from multiple angles, from top to bottom and the entire length. Even hair-thin scratches are reported by the Intelligent Damage Reporting System. Once damage is detected, it is reported along with driver details, unit numbers, and date time, along with clear pictures and ultra-high-definition video evidence. The Intelligent Damage Reporting System sends a notification to your maintenance and safety and compliance department, alerting them of the damage detected. To learn more about the cutting-edge Intelligent Damage Reporting solution by Eagle Vision Security, contact us today and let's set up a time to get together.